Hey everyone, As-salamu Alaykum and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Afsara Rahman and I do share beauty related content on my channel, and I also posted a vlog. So if you haven't watched that, just go and check it out. I will link it over here somewhere. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, so today's video, it's not about a makeup tutorial, not even a vlog, it's a makeup haul video. Recently I have purchased some makeup and skincare products, so I just wanted to open all this product in front of you and share the details, you know, like other beauty guru do. Though I'm not a beauty guru, whatever. So let's just jump into the video. So the first product is the eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, and this is the palette. So it's called the Menage Muah, I guess. I did the right pronounce, I don't know. So this is the palette. Let me just open this one. Okay. Alright, so this is the palette, and if I talk about the size, it's quite cute. It's not too small, not too big as well, so it's fine, I guess. So just look at the shade. The shade range is so beautiful, like kichu mauve tones ache, kichu purplish tones ache, and the glitters and the shimmer shades are perfect, totally are perfect. It has 6 to 7 matte shades, 2 glitters that are literally popping out, and 1 to 3 shimmer shades are here. So let me just swatch 1 or 2 shades over here. So let me just swatch this shade first. And then I'm swatching this deeper shade. Oh, these are freaking pigmented. So it has a shade called After Midnight. Let me just swatch this one. It's a matte shade and it also has some sparkle over here. Alright, so let me just swatch the shimmery shade right now. So it has 3 shimmery shade and these are very pretty. Look at this one, and ekhane ekটু maroonish or burgundy ekta tone ache. It's not maroon, it's a burgundy basically. So it has total 3 shimmer shade like this, and you can see these are very pretty. Chokhe laganor por it will look so beautiful. Okay, so now let me just swatch the glitters because these are literally popping out. So let me just swatch this one. Ooh. Oh my god, just look at this. And this one. Oh, so one is kind of rosy gold and another one is a silverish tone. Okay, look, wait a minute. So this is a rosy shade and this is the silver. You can see I literally cannot wait to apply this shade. Okay, so if I talk about the palette, I haven't applied it, just swatch kore for the time being that I can say it's a very beautiful palette. It's very pigmented to be honest, but I have no idea je fallout hoy kina, but it's very pretty. So let's moving on to the next product. So the second product is this signature highlighter palette from Ofra. Basically it's my second purchase. Amar ago ekta chilo. So oita shesh hoye jar por I just repurchase it again because I literally love this one. Oh my god, I cannot open it. Okay, so let me just open this one, but what is wrong? Oh.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I'm so dumb. It's supposed to go open from here, but I'm ekhan theke gutacchilam. I don't know why. Okay, so this is the packaging. I know most of you guys have already seen this because it's on ager ekta palette, and as I said, this is my second purchase. So let me just show you the shade. Alright. So it has total 5 shades of highlighter, and each and every shades are freaking gorgeous. আমি one by one তোমাদেরকে swatch করে দেখাবো, but just overall দেখো, it's very pretty. And I think এটা শেষ হয়ে যাওয়ার পর I'm going to repurchase it again. Alright, so let me just swatch from the lightest shade. লাইট একটা কপার শেডের মতো। সো এটার একদমই ফল আউট হয় না, অ্যাজ আই ইউজ ইট বিফোর, সো আই নো ইট, যেটা একদমই ফল আউট হয় না। অ্যান্ড দ্য গ্লো ইট উইল গিভ ইউ, ইটস জাস্ট টু গুড। সো আমি জাস্ট একটু এই গোল্ডেনটা তোমাদেরকে অ্যাপ্লাই করে দেখাই। ওকে, সো আই হোপ ইউ ক্যান সি। সো দিস ইজ দ্য গোল্ডেন পার্ট। অ্যান্ড আমার কাছে সব থেকে ফেভারিট লাগে দ্য রোজ গোল্ড। এটার যে রোজ গোল্ড শেড আছে, আই জাস্ট লাভ ইট সো মাচ। সো আমি একটু রোজ গোল্ডটা তোমাদেরকে এই সাইডে দেখাবো সোয়াচ করে। Very pretty. So I bought this from La Vista and it costed me exactly 2650. ওদের একটা ডিসকাউন্ট চলছিল। Oh, and by the way, এই যে প্যালেটটা ছিল Menage Muah from ColourPop, এটার প্রাইস ছিল হচ্ছে কি 1650, 1650 টাকা ছিল এটার প্রাইসটা। and এটাও কিন্তু La Vista থেকে ছিল। Alright, so moving on to the next one, and the next product I have is, I'm really confused actually, এতগুলো প্রোডাক্ট কোনটার পর কোনটা দেখাবো। So I think it's a drugstore product দেখায়. This is from Technic. Actually এটা newly purchased, but এটা আমি একবার use করেছিলাম। So this is the palette. It's very beautiful. The color range are also really good, and this is called the Persuasion from Technic. So it has some matte shades and some shimmery shade as well, and the most interesting thing is that shade. It's a kind of messy because আমি এটা একবার use করেছি, but এটা হচ্ছে কি একটা creamy একটা texture. It has a clear something, I don't know, and there is some bits যেটা হচ্ছে কি eyeshadow কিছু bits আছে. So if I swatch this shade, it will give this kind of shade. It's a kind of maroony shimmery shade, you can say, and it has the same shade over here as well. So এটা হচ্ছে কি powdery formটা, and this is a kind of creamy form, and there is some beautiful brown tones. And let me just swatch this one. So this shade will give you this kind of look. So this shade is also kind of same shade, you can say. Let me just swatch this on this part. Alright, it's a burgundy, you can say it's a burgundy shade. And let me just swatch this one. Okay, so this is a pure violet shimmery shade, you can say, and it will look so attractive after applying it, and it's very pretty actually. So this palette is from Concentré. I really forgot the price. I think price will be around 600 to 700 or 800. I really forgot that. So let's move on to our next product. Next I have a primer from Smashbox Photo Finish. এটার অনেক ভালো রিভিউজ আছে. It's a very hyped primer from Smashbox, but this is the first time আমি এটা পারচেজ করেছি, আগে আমার কখনো কেনা হয় নাই. So I'm really excited to try it out. So this is the packaging, and it called the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So I think it's a silicone based primer যেটা তোমার pores and whatever you have on your skin, the texture টাকে একটু smooth করে ফেলবে. Okay, so let me just apply this on my hand because আমার face এখন makeup দেওয়া, so I cannot apply it on my face. So let me just apply this over here. Instantly একদম ম্যাট করে ফেলছে. It's very good, I think. I'm really excited to try it out. I don't know কবে যে অ্যাপ্লাই করব. So I think এটা নোজ এরিয়া and pores এর জায়গাটা অনেক বেটার কাজ করবে, and যাদের স্কিন টো অয়েলি তাদের জন্য I think it will be a very good primer. So I bought this from Beauty Mall, and the price ছিল হচ্ছে গিয়ে 4280. 4280, I think it's quite a bit for just a primer. I don't know, এটার এত hype and it's very good, সবার থেকে শুনি, that's why I have purchased this one, and let's see actually জানি না worth it হবে কিনা, so I will update it later. So the next product is Urban Decay All Night Makeup Setting Spray. Again it's a repurchased one, so এটা just খুলে তোমাদেরকে দেখাই, এটা নিয়ে ডিটেইলস আর বলার কিছু নাই. And this is the travel size or the small size. এটার আরো একটা বড় সাইজ আছে, so অলরেডি ওটা আমার কাছে আছে, that's why হচ্ছে আমি জাস্ট ট্রাভেল সাইজটা পারচেজ করলাম. So এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আর কি দেখাবো. Okay, so smells very good actually. I think no extra fragrance added, but it's a very good. এটা তোমার মেকআপকে লং লাস্টিং করতে অনেক হেল্প করে. As a primer তুমি মেকআপের আগেও কিন্তু এটা স্প্রে করতে পারো. Overall it's a very good one, and এটার প্রাইসটা জাস্ট তোমাকে বলি. As it's a small one, এটার প্রাইস ছিল হচ্ছে গিয়ে 1780. Again this is from the Beauty Mall. So the next I have this Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. Again, this is my repurchase one. So এগুলো basically শেষ হয়ে গিয়েছে, কিছু কিছু প্রোডাক্ট লাস্টের দিকে চলে আসছে, so এগুলো আগে থেকেই কিনে রাখছি. Alright, so let me just open this one, and এটার সাথে এরকম always একটা ব্রাশ তোমরা পেয়ে যাচ্ছ, and this is the shade actually. So I'm not going to swatch it at all because you guys have already seen this before many times. So just it comes with this brush, and this is the packaging. That's all. Alright, so if I talk about the price, এটা the beauty mall থেকে কেনা, and the price is 3540 3540 হচ্ছে গেটার price. And the next one is a skincare product from Wishful, and I am super duper excited to show this in front of you, and this is my first one. Like, I haven't used this before, so I'm very excited. Okay, so this is the Wishful Rose Oil, and I haven't tried it before, but I'm really excited. So this is the one. So I think it's a glass bottle and comes with this drop packaging, and this is very good actually. I don't know, it has lots of good reviews, and some of beauty gurus also give a thumbs up to this product, so I am really confused. But one of my friends said that it's a very good one, and এটা নিজে ইউজ করে, so that's why I'm excited হয়ে এটা কিনে ফেললাম. Basically it's a oil যেটা তোমরা একদম স্কিন কেয়ারের লাস্টে ফেসে অ্যাপ্লাই করবা, and it has a smell. It is soft একটা oiler smell আছে. I think it's good, and as far as I can guess, it has no extra fragrance added. So let me just apply this on my hand. So this is a pure form of oil, and being a dry skin person, actually I'm really excited to try that out. So again, I will update about this product later, as I haven't used this before, so it will take some time. So if I talk about the price, it costed me around 5,500, and I bought this from La Vista, and after all it's from Wishful, and you guys know Wishful is a skincare range from Huda Beauty, so it has to be expensive, but let's see how much it worth it. So next I have two products, two loose powder from Fit Me, and one is 10 shade and another one is 1020. So basically it's for my clients, so that's why দুইটা shade আমি repurchase করেছি, because 20টা হচ্ছে কি একটু tan shade যাদের আছে, and 10টা হচ্ছে একটু fair shade যাদের আছে. So you can say যে এটা Huda Beauty loose powder একটা dupe, because it's a very good, and it costed me around তোমার 1000 I guess. Let me just check. It costed me 980, and these are from the beauty mall. So these are very good actually, and as I say, যেগুলোকে তোমরা Huda Beauty dupe হিসেবেও বলতে পারো, these are actually very good. So let's just move on to our next product. So the next one is a moisturizer, and this is from Embryolisse. So same, this is my first purchase. এটা আমি আগে ইউজ করি নাই কখনো, but it has thousands of good reviews, and it costed me 3,360, and it's from the beauty mall, and I'm mentioning each and every pages, so তোমাদের জন্য যেন easy হয় if you guys want to purchase any of them. So এটার প্যাকেজিং এ যেটা লেখা আছে, moisturizer makeup primer moisturizing mask for all type of skin. So এটা তুমি all type of skin use করতে পারবা. It's a very hydrating moisturizer for all type of skin, and it will work as a primer before makeup. So let me just swatch this one. So it has the normal creamy texture. Okay, so it's a very hydrating, and it's very lightweight actually. Usually যেটা হয় যে hydrating বা cream যেগুলো আছে ওগুলো খুবই heavy হয়, but it's quite lightweight, and the same time it's very hydrating. So I'm loving it. In total, I'm just loving it. Any product that is hydrating and it has some juiciness, I really love it. So same, I'm loving it so much, and it has no greasiness. Usually hydrating products যেগুলো হয় moisturizer অনেক বেশি greasy হয়ে থাকে, but it has no greasiness at all. So এটা just তোমার skin একদম perfectly absorb হয়ে যাবে. So after this video, I will apply it on my face, and inshallah next কোনো makeup tutorial I will apply it. So next there is a foundation from Milani. এটা আমার 1000 time purchase I guess. because এটা আমি কতগুলো বটল শেষ করেছি literally I have no idea. So this is a new one and এটা হচ্ছে কি Cosmetiva থেকে নেওয়া. I really forgot the price I think 1000 এর ভিতরেই হবে and this is in the shade 06. Usually আমি 05 টা অ্যাপ্লাই করি but 06 টা নিয়েছি যেন মিক্স ম্যাচ করে ইউজ করতে পারি. সো এটা নিয়ে অ্যাকচুয়ালি নিউলি বলার কিছু না, আই থিঙ্ক সোয়াচও করা লাগবে না বিকজ তোমরা যারা আমাকে ফেসবুকে ফলো করো তোমরা অলরেডি জানো যে হাউ মাচ আই লাভ দিস ওয়ান. So yes, that is from Cosmetiva and if you guys want to buy that, just Cosmetiva inbox করলেই হবে. And next I have this color corrector from ELF. Usually I'm not a big fan of color corrector but this is for my clients, যারা আমার clients আছে তাদের জন্য নেওয়া and it's a orange color corrector. এটা একবার ইউজ করা হয়েছে but as is a new purchase so আমি just এটা দেখালাম আজকে. So that's it and I really forgot the price. I think it's from the beauty mall but আমি প্রাইসটা ভুলে গিয়েছি. So the next actually I have bought some loose pigment and loose sparkle from Inglot. So there is total 5 in my hand. So let me just swatch one by one. And first one is this. It's a kind of silvery shade. So let me just swatch this one. It's very pigmented. These are actually very pigmented and I love this kind of product actually. And next I have this shade. It's a kind of olive golden you can say. So let me just swatch it so that you can guys understand. These are totally powder form. So তোমাদেরকে এগুলো অ্যাপ্লাই করার জন্য কিন্তু you guys need a primer. Okay, so this is the second one. And it's not olive exactly, it's a kind of holographic effect দিচ্ছে like এক একটা shade নিয়ে আসে and it's quite good. And the next I have a rose gold shade. So again let me just swatch this one. Wow, this is very pretty. I hope you can guys see. Okay, I think this is my most favorite one because it's very pretty একটা shade. These are the 3 loose pigment from Inglot and এগুলোর প্রাইস ছিল around I think 1000 but ওদের 50% একটা ডিসকাউন্ট ছিল কিছুদিন আগে সো ওই টাইমে আমি কিনেছিলাম but I think regular price each price 1000 করে পড়ে. Next I have 2 sparkle pigment. So এগুলো হচ্ছে গিয়ে you can say glitter, simple words you can say glitter. So একটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে kind of তোমাদের rose gold একটা shade this one and এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে একটু golden একটা shade. So this two and এগুলোর price so around তোমার 1000 ই হবে. I really forgot the exact one and যেটা বললাম যে আমি Inglot-এর products গুলো 50% discount-এ purchase করেছিলাম so I think regular price around 1000 ই হবে. So the last 2 product I have is 2 lipstick. One is from Absolute New Work and another from MAC. So Absolute New Work এটা বাংলা শপের থেকে নেওয়া হয়েছে and MAC এটা it's from random I guess, I don't know কই থেকে নিয়েছিলাম but suddenly আমার ব্যাগে ছিল. So MAC এটা I think একটা PR হবে, I really forgot. So MAC এর shade number 2 হচ্ছে গিয়ে Mocha and it's a very pretty shade. I just love Mocha shade. I don't know where to swatch it. Okay, let me just swatch this over here. This is the Mocha shade and I love this one so much. এটা আমার ফার্স্ট টাইম পারচেজ না, এটা অনেকবারই আগে ইউজ করেছি and এটা it's a new one, that's why I'm showing you guys. So this is the shade and it's very pretty. Let me just move on to this Absolute New Work one and এটার shade number টা হচ্ছে গিয়ে English Rose. So এটা একটু swatch করি আমি. English Rose. It's a very light pink one. Okay, I'm really bad and I don't know. Okay, so this is the English Rose and একটু messed up হয়ে গেছে. I'm really sorry for that. This is the one. So it's a very basic pink shade and it's quite good. So these are all the products that I have purchased recently. Some of them are repurchased and some of them I purchased for the first time. As আমি প্রতিটা প্রোডাক্টের সাথে প্রাইস অ্যান্ড পেজ নাম্বারটা মেনশন করে দিয়েছি. Do not think that is a sponsored video or all the products are PR from those pages. Not at all. I bought all the products with my own freaking money. So that's all for today. Thank you so much everybody for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. So give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and if possible share this with your friends and family. So see you in the next video. Bye.